and she empowers people to quit the screen time and to be more happy in life. And would you like to share your motto? What is the line that you always say?
Yeah. So basically, we have started this drive, digital discipline drive, and that what basically we are trying to do is that we're trying to reach to more and more people, specifically students, and trying to tell them that mobile phone is the bestest, I guess, gift which we have got from technology. But now it's up to us that how we're gonna use it, because I feel like mobile is kind of like a knife. If you like use it in a right way, like doctors, it can save lots of lives. But if you use it in a wrong way, like any thief or anyone who's trying to harm you, it's gonna have lots of detrimental effects on your life. So yeah, that is what I was saying, that in digital discipline drive what we are doing is that we're trying to connect students. I have this PPT prepared, and we are giving that PPT to students so that if they are in any kind of social gathering and anything like that where they want to speak, they can use our PPT. We kind of like do 1 day session also, like for an hour or 2 hours, where I go there and I'm like this, you can speak, your body language would be like this, and this is the PPT. And if you want to add something, you can add. That is, we are not saying that you only have to use this PPT or the materials which is provided in this PPT. So yeah, that is what we are providing PPT. But we just have two things. Firstly, that the students need to kind of like decrease the screen time of theirs also. It is not that you are using your mobile phone for 10 hours and then you are preaching people that, don't use mobile. So firstly, you have to decrease your screen time, and that is, we kind of like will talk to your parents also. So firstly, this. Secondly, there should be no effect on your grades, on your school thing. It should be kind of like really, your academic should not affect because of the speaking you are doing. So yeah, we just have these two things, and if you agree to these two things, you are a digital discipline, brand ambassador of this scheme, and we are in the process of making the website also. In that website, we're going to put pictures of yours, telling that you are brand ambassador of this city, of this state. So it kind of like somewhere around, what really happens is this, that students get that autonomy, that freedom, that they have that power. They think, wow, I'm a brand ambassador, and if I'm preaching people to kind of like use their screen time, make their screen time a bit low, so that is what I should also do. So